What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Today's adventure, we got some Lawless Garage Turn signals for Project Wildfire. So that means we're getting rid of these guys. And we're going to this guy. So come over here. I already got it kind of going. I was like, don't mind the shed. So you can see right here, I got that one zip tied on just to have it on. But cleaning up the front is the goal here. And then we've got this side done already. So the wire runs up into the bars and down. One of the easiest times I've ever had putting wires in there. Just right down, comes out through here. And I'm going to take and re-zip tie these and make everything work and flow together. Right now I have this loose. So they actually go together right here. You can see that. And this one here. So I'm going to flow those back together because they give you plenty of length here that I can get it all nice and buttoned up. So we're going to go ahead and do this side, show you guys what's involved. Mainly, so that side I'm just going to cut that zip tie. I had lost a screw in the move. So this little guy right here goes on the back of there, unbolt that, and then just unhook that guy there. But then we're going to open this up, move this a little bit. So there's a bolt here, and that right there is where the turn signal is going to actually mount to. All right, we got that guy. All right. Let's see if we can get you guys a little bit better here. All right, so we got to loosen this guy up. This, like I said, this is the bolt where it's going to go, but we got to loosen this up so we can open the housings right here, and that way we can get this wire ran through. Okay, just don't need a lot. He's got to be able to get to the screws there. I'm going to move it over, tighten it back up. I'm not going to be able to get to that, so we're going to move it a little bit more. There we go. So with these are plastic, so you want to be careful when you torque down, when anything you're doing. Don't be doing it with like a power drill because it's just too much. Take your time. Be patient with it, because you got the two there, you got two more, and then right under here is going to be a little hole for the bar, a little access for the tube. There we go. So gently just let that chill there. All right, we're going to take this guy here, and we're going to press it up into the bar. Some bars may vary. You may have to run like a line through. There we go. This side has a little bit more. The other side is like butter, like nothing going on with that one. All right, guys, so we've got that ran up here. I'm going to show you. Let's see if I gotta get it while also having a GoPro on my face. All right. Now there's tools for this, and I just don't have them on me. It was right there. Where'd it go? There you are. Come on. There we go. Okay. So you guys will see a little bit of Scotch tape on here. So let's get that off real quick. Come on. I only did a little bit. Now I did that because you see that ledge right there? Now that was hooking up on the different materials in here, so it wasn't actually like going through this area right here. And I didn't have, like, normally I'll have like a little like wire tracer tool or whatever it's called, and you know, no problem. But these thin wires, I was able to just get around there, and I can make this a lot cleaner look because of it. There we go. Get that pulled through. We're gonna run it on the back side here. So you got there's wiring all right here that goes under the tank for the bike, and then you have wiring that goes right here into the headlight. That's where your turn signals are plugged in at. There we go. We're gonna pull this. There we go. So we got this guy here. Unplug him, and then we can cut that. Like I said, I had a zip tie because I lost the bolt with the bike being apart during the move. That's out of here. And we're gonna run this guy. There we go. Okay, that's a little too far. I'm not gonna zip tie anything or fully finish it up until I have it all bolted together. There we go. So that's in. This will go back like this. The wires will actually run up to each other, and then I'll run them along all the wiring, and then add the zip ties that I cut off from the wiring, so that way everything has the nice flush stock-like look and keeps it very clean. And that's ideally what I've always wanted with this build, is clean. Okay, so the nut that comes with the Lawless kit is what we're actually throwing on this side. I can do it on the other side too, but it didn't actually need it, where this side needs to be the thinner nut. Like I said, always leave kind of things loose while doing this. Let's see. There we go. Now, there we go. There you go. Find just a little bit of room for that wire to come out, and that way we can get everything to go smoothly, no binding. Now the other side, it's like, I know I didn't show it, but it's easier than this side. It's same thing, less wires. This side carries more wires, I'm guessing, with the starter and the cruise control. And the burr. There's no. Yeah, so that's it. There we go. Like I said, and don't over tighten these. I don't know the torque specs, but I'm like always gentle with these ones. Okay. From what I've noticed, also doing the back ones first is ideal of figuring out where that turn signal line can go before putting on the front faceplate. And you guys may notice I actually jumped the gun a little bit, so I need to put that throttle grip back on. Go. It actually goes around it. Now it's very simple to do. Now remember, with aftermarket parts, I'm not sure what can void your warranty on those, but you just never know. Always check into anything you do before doing it, and do it at your own risk. I like these turn signals. I've done everything that's custom to this bike. Warranty is the last thing on my mind. All right, let's see. There we go. Okay, nice and slow. Make sure everything's going together. Like I've learned to do it evenly too. A little bit more. There we go. I had it perfectly out of the way, and that turn signal just got right there. Said, I want a piece of this. If you guys can hear those goats, I'm sorry. My neighbor's goats want to go crazy right now, apparently. That one feels fine. Okay. All right, now we're going to get this guy back into place and then see if we can press that wire in just a little bit. We are going to be changing these bars in the near future, but probably not for about a year. And then we're going to go to the Sport Chief style bars, which won't need as much room to run. They shouldn't. I'm not sure if I'm going to run the traditional Chief bars with the risers from Sport Chief or what. I'll go check a couple out this weekend at Bike Week. Might be a little high. So it's all about adjusting this part and going from there. But that is, I like that. I like it a lot. Wire's clean. Alright guys, I really like the way it cleans up the front of the bike. Let's go ahead and check out. So we've got your left, your right, and your emergency. Love this look. I think it cleans up the front way more. Like we don't have those big, look at these guys, man. Like, look at that. Look at that. Now for the rear, I still am leaving the bigger brake lights on, running lights on, because I like the surface area, especially out on the freeways at night here in California, or any areas. You get more coverage, the better on dark roads. These people already can't see you. Turn signals in the front, these are bright, and they're not always on. So I think it's a good look, clean look. Yeah, I'm a huge fan. Lawless Garage, amazing people. Those guys are awesome. Got their crash bars on. I've been working with them, love those guys. And I can't wait to see what else they come out with. More stuff I can put on my bike. So, all right, guys, stay safe, stay classy. LawlessGarage.com. Go check out what they got for your Indian motorcycle and your Harleys. Later, guys.